Greetings everybody, today we are going to play another mod called Bob the Toolbox. The segment of this mod is gaining a huge popularity between the horror enthusiasts. So without further ado, let's start.
Thank you for purchase. You can add me to your inventory. Get started. Here are 50 blocks. Build something so I can assess your skill level in building. My goal is to not only make you a better builder, but to prepare your house for visitation. Then, when making a house, you want to ensure there is both the roof and floor to ensure your house is functional and visually pleasing. Prepare your house for visitation. Let's reflect on what we learned from our first lesson. Here is 50 blocks. Show me your roof and floor building skills. Excellent job. Let us begin our next lesson and work towards making this house suitable for visitation. Our next lesson is interior design. When designing an interior of a house, you want to not only include furniture, but also other decorations such as carpets, appliances, and windows. Use these blocks to build and show me what you've learned. For this lesson, please go retrieve the materials you think are necessary. Being a builder also means being able to craft. Congratulations on completing the first visitation. Builders need rest, and as such we will begin our next lesson in the morning. Excellent job. Hello there. Welcome to the next day of learning to become a better builder. Since it is a new day, I will now reassess your building skills. Please expand the house using these 500 blocks. I can see you are improving already. Our next lesson and work towards making this house a better experience than last time for visitation. Our first lesson today is crawl spaces. Crawl spaces are necessary additions to any house as it allows for the residents to hide, escape, or be quiet during any type of urgent event. I will provide the resources today. Use these trapdoors and blocks to create crawl spaces and show me what you learned. Excellent work. In our next lesson, basements. Every house requires a basement. Basements not only add pleasing aesthetics to a house, but also provide a cool, moist place to rest or hide. Use these blocks to build the basement and show me what you learned. I have received news that the visitor is expected in
3 minutes.
Please make the house more suitable for a visitation as soon as possible.
9, 8, 7.
Congratulations on completing the second visitation. Builders need rest, and as such we will begin our next lesson in the morning. Excellent job. Hello there. Welcome to the next day of learning to become a better builder. Since it is a new day, I will now reassess your building skills. Please expand the house. I have received news that the visitor is expected in
0 minutes.
Please make the house more suitable for a visitation as soon as possible.
7.
Hello there. Congratulations on successfully